We interrupted your programming to issue an emergency message from the government of the United States of America. Please pay attention.
Citizens of the world, the President of the United States speaks to you. The representatives of the American government understand that we are in a situation that has generated controversies and uncertainties. So, together with the NASA, we bring you relevant information about this. As it is known, Planet Miller is heading to Earth due to an anomaly in space of which we do not know its origin. We know that this same anomaly is what allows Planet Miller to move freely through space. This planet has several characteristics very similar to the Earth, with the difference that Planet Miller does not have any kind of life. Planet Miller comes from a part of space that is considered far away for us. This planet has just been discovered, so there is not much information about it. That's why we gave the instruction to wait and analyze to study the type of threat we are facing. Don't think we don't know about this. All governments on Earth are more than aware of what is happening. This planet has nothing to do with aliens or evil prophecies. We recommend that you enter the official NASA website for more information about Planet Miller. This is not a smokescreen invented by his government. There are recent images of Planet Miller where it is near Uranus's orbit. Our greatest NASA experts have theorized that this planet can deviate as if it were a meteor. So we have developed a mission to divert Planet Miller from its trajectory. This mission is done with the purpose of saving the life that inhabits our planet. The mission is scheduled to take place on May 30th at 2 in the afternoon. More details will be announced later. In the event that this main mission fails, 2 other missions with the same objective are planned. The margin of error of the main mission is relatively low, around 2.60%. We have allied ourselves with the governments of Western Europe so that they, together with the government of the United States, can finance the mission. We are working together with the governments of the world so that this mission is successful and we can save the world. We ask you to be aware of the information that your government provides you to avoid a second wave of misinformation. Remember that we do this for your safety and for you to witness how we save humanity. Thank you for your attention.